Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we'll be talking about what is currently happening to Shiba Inu. If you're new to the channel, welcome. In this channel, we discuss about cryptocurrencies, about finance, and about investment. If you are a long-time viewer of this channel, please welcome back. If you find anything helpful in this video, I will appreciate it if you like this video. And if you are new to the channel, a sub is going to be fantastic. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into the video. But first, before we do that, I want to give a very big shout out to all my subscribers. I really appreciate the effort that you put into watching my videos and also the questions you have been asking. I really find that encouraging. Thank you very much for that. So let's get into the video. What is currently happening to Shiba Inu? If you look at my last few videos about a week ago or a month ago, I highly discourage anybody investing in Shiba Inu, and I gave a reason. The reason I gave was that when we are making investment, we should avoid investment that rely solely on speculation. We should only make investments that we are very sure that over a long period of time will make profit. I said Shiba Inu only relies on hype or speculation. That was what I said about 1 month ago. But over the last few weeks, I have made changes to what I said. I said rather than making or waiting for a long period of time before you can generate profits from your investment, you can instead use altcoin like Shiba Inu to make short-term profits but not long-term profits. So I made changes to what I said. So if you're interested in making short-term profits, you can invest in altcoins such as Dogecoin or Shiba Inu. Right now, Shiba Inu is riding on speculations. And what is giving Shiba Inu the strength it is having today is because of the community that is behind it. If you go to places like Reddit or Twitter, you can see that a lot of people are really backing Shiba Inu. About few months from now, exactly 6 months from now, the community that had the strongest backing, or the token or coin that had the strongest backing, was Dogecoin. But slowly, many people are losing interest in Dogecoin and are shifting to Shiba Inu. Is it too late for you to buy Shiba Inu now? The answer is no. The reason, I gave the reason in my last video. The reason is that why Shiba Inu was created was to kill Dogecoin. Shiba Inu is nicknamed the Dogecoin killer. So until that is being achieved, until Shiba Inu equates or supersedes Dogecoin, I don't think the community is going to let go of supporting Shiba Inu. So if you are thinking about making short-term profit, note short-term profit, it is more logical for you to invest in altcoins like Shiba Inu because it has a very strong fan base. And there's something I'm trying to research in. I'm looking at what are the effects of dumping a large volume of this Shiba Inu token. Dumping a Shiba Inu token or this cryptocurrency can also increase the value because there will become less circulation of that cryptocurrency. For example, if Shiba Inu was just 1,000 pieces and I lock away just 500, there's going to become scarcity because everybody has to share the remaining 500 because I have dumped the other 500. So because of that, its value is going to increase. As we have seen, there's a lot of dumping that has occurred. Shiba Inu creator had given almost half of it to the Ethereum founder, and we know he dumped about 90% of what he had. So because of this and the continued dumping of this cryptocurrency will likely increase the price of this coin. Just imagine if eventually it gets to 1 cent. I know some people say that this is not possible to happen, but do you know 7 years ago nobody would believe that Dogecoin is going to come this far after a long period of time. I'm not saying it will happen to Shiba Inu, but what I'm saying is if there's continuous dumping of this cryptocurrency, if this dumping is more than what is supplied each year, eventually we can see Shiba Inu getting to an amount that will make a lot of people rich. So I want you to let me know in the comment section how much you have invested in Shiba Inu and how long you think it's going to last. So if you have any questions, I want you to write it down. I'll really appreciate it. See you in my next video.